Hey everybody, I'm Laura with Sonoranblossom Tea Company, and today I want to introduce you to a fun new recipe that'll help you get through this social distancing. We call it Teamosas. So just this morning, I was reminiscing about a year and a half ago. I was sitting with a wonderful group of ladies celebrating my future sister-in-law, and we were enjoying a flight of mimosas. There was regular orange juice mimosas, but then there was cranberry mimosas, apple mimosas, guava mimosas, and my mind was blown. And I thought, what else can you use to make a mimosa? Well, why not tea? And that's where Teamosas were born. How do you make a Teamosa? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Blood Orange Teamosa in 5 minutes or less. Now, here are the items you're going to need to make your Teamosa. You'll need a measuring cup. This is a 1/3 cup and a 2/3 cup built in together. You need a 1 teaspoon kitchen strainer, a glass. Now, if you don't have a champagne flute, a wine glass works just fine. Filtered water, a 24-ounce mason jar. You can use anything from 8 ounces to a gallon. I just happen to have a 24-ounce. Your champagne. If you don't want to do an alcoholic Teamosa, you can do you can use sparkling water instead. So I've got this mineral water here as well. And then your tea of choice. I chose the Blood Orange Tea. It's an herbal and it tastes amazing with this. A little bit about this Blood Orange Tea. It's a rooibos blend with hibiscus flower, safflower, rose hips, rosebuds, and orange peel. It smells like a citrus blossom and it tastes amazing. It's not sweetened, so it makes a great juice alternative for your Teamosa. The first thing you're going to want to do is brew your tea. Now, I like to cold brew my tea so that it's not bitter. So I'm going to use my mason jar, my filtered water, and my Blood Orange Tea. This is a 24-ounce mason jar, so I will need 3 teaspoons of Blood Orange Tea. Depending on what size your jar is, you only need 1 teaspoon of tea per 8 ounces of water. So I'm just going to measure out my 3 teaspoons. I want to make sure I get some good orange petals in there. And now I'm going to fill to the top with my water. I like to use filtered water because it really does bring out the best flavor of the tea. And now I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator. You can let it sit for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. It depends on what kind of time you have. So I made some last night. This is what the finished product looks like. And it still has the leaves in there, so I will need to strain this out before I make my Teamosa. Now, using my regular kitchen strainer, I'm going to strain out 1/3 cup of tea. And I'm going to pour it into my glass. Now for everybody's favorite part, let's open the champagne bottle. Now measure in 2/3 cup of champagne. Swirl and enjoy. Ooh, that's good. That's real good. Now, some things you can do to spruce it up a little bit. You can add an orange slice as a garnish, or you can put a couple rose petals in there to make them nice and pretty as they're floating around. Now that we're on day 22 of social distancing, some of you might be getting a little cabin fever. So you can use this recipe to get back to a little bit of normalcy, do a video chat with your friends, and do Teamosas on Sunday mornings. If you tried this recipe, let us know what you thought and liked and changed in the comments below. Like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that little bell so you get notifications for our new videos. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure to tune in next week for a brand new Sonoranblossom tea recipe.